Here I have NISSAN Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use new limit alert feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the dashboard behind the steering wheel. Then let's use the arrows left and right to navigate here. And as you can see, if you, for example, use just the right arrow, you can enter the settings. Let's press the OK button. So you need to press this scrolling wheel on your steering wheel, and then you just enter the settings. Scroll down to choose the driver assistance. Then if you press OK button again to enter driver assistance, you can here scroll down to choose one of the following features. Scroll down to select and highlight the traffic sign assist. Now let's press this scrolling wheel again. And as you can see here, we've got a few interesting features and interesting settings that you can use. One of them is new limit alert. So the second option, if you press this new limit alert, you can enable this feature. Basically, it's quite useful. This is notification for when the speed limit changes. What it does when you enter a new zone, for example, moving from 90 km zone to a 70 km zone, the car will provide a small visual or audio alert to make you notice the change. So my current status will be on. I really like to have this limit alert. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up.